If you are looking for the best car alarm system, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Pyle Car Alarm Security System. Alarm security system is an excellent choice for those looking for an alarm system that won't break the bank. It offers users the ability to choose between passive or active arming depending on the situation and comes complete with two 4-button remote controls. The LED status indicator light provides visual confirmation of the system status. This set includes two auxiliary outputs for activating other accessories such as remote engine start or window roll-up. Number 2. Number 2. Viper 5305 volts Vehicle Car Alarm. Viper 5305 volts Vehicle Alarm Keyless Entry System offers an entry-level price point with plenty of features for a value-packed vehicle alarm system. It boasts features such as keyless entry and smart start compatibility, and up to 1/4 mile range. It features separate two Spanish pesetas and D2D ports, and the two-way remote uses a backlit LCD for ease of viewing. Those who purchased and reviewed this alarm system appreciated that it offered good value for the money and that it was relatively easy to install. Number 3. Number 3. BANVIE RFID Car Alarm System. The BANVIE car alarm system is a simple RFID alarm that comes complete with a finger engine start push button and transponder immobilizer. Without the RFID key fob, the car will not start, making your vehicle practically theft-proof. It is compatible with nearly any DC-12V vehicle and includes step-by-step installation instructions, although professional installation is recommended. People said the instructions were easy to follow and liked that it could be installed on many types of vehicles such as golf carts and motorcycles. Number 4. Number 4. Avital 5305L Security System. Produced by one of the most popular automotive cybersecurity companies, Avital is a car security system that is well known. It is similar to the Viper security systems which are also from Directed Electronics Inc. The good reputation of this system is not baseless, as it offers car security, personal safety, budget, and desire for comfort. This product has a remote sensing range of about 1,500 feet. Sometimes, the presence of buildings and other obstructions may interfere with the radio signals. Also, this system comes with two remote controls. The two-way LCD remote start and the one-way 4-button remote. Number 5. Python 5706P Responder. Python 5706P Responder LC3SST two-way security system took the runner-up spot on our list of the best alarm systems and confirms commands using tones, vibration, text, and icon display to give you added peace of mind. It comes complete with one 2-button two-way LCD remote that is backlit for ease of visibility, and one 5-button one-way companion remote. It boasts a range of approximately 1 mile. Some people found that the buttons on the LCD remote were a bit too sensitive, but they were happy with the overall performance. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.